Hey, what's up guys? My name is Dennis and I'm a full-time day trader and I run a community called clienttraders.com. In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how, which time frames I use to analyze different markets. So I'm going to break the day down into Asia, London, which is London/EU, and then New York. I'm going to show you the way I analyze the markets and which time frames I use. We're going to jump on my chart in a second and I'll show you exactly how that works. Okay, so this is a daily primer. This is the type of video we're going to be releasing on this YouTube channel pretty much every day. Some of the videos might be set to private, which will be shared only with our community members, but in general, we're going to do our best to keep our YouTube activity pretty high. So right now, as you guys can see down here, we are in the trading sessions of Frankfurt and London. For us, when we are trading Frankfurt and London, what we are doing is we're looking at the 4-hour chart and the 1-hour chart of the same pair. So if I change to GBP USD here, you'll see GBP USD 4-hour and 1-hour. I'm not going to get into our trading strategy in detail. It's just not the time. It would take a little bit more work right now, and the video would be much longer than I want it to be. So I'll just put it to you in simple terms. We use momentum, which we gouge with higher highs and higher lows and so forth. We also use the 20 EMA and the 5 EMA and the 30 Dow chain channel, but only the middle. To enter our trades, we only use the Fibonacci expansion tool. We use it differently than many of you guys. For example, USD ZAR buy, we took it because of strong momentum and price action finding support at 61.8 from this low to this high. This is the reason we've taken this trade. On USD JPY, we took it because price action is finding resistance at 38.2 and 30 from this top to this bottom, and you can see a pretty decent consolidation area right here. You see that price action finding resistance or accumulation in this area, but also finding support, which would indicate a potential pullback to the downside. So that's it. Now, when we trade the Asian session and the New York session, what we do is we're looking for very short-term trades. What we do is we have the 1-hour chart on the left and the 10-minute chart on the right, and we gouge our trades based on this. So I'll give you an idea here. You can see price action finding support, and you see this resistance, and there in the bottom support, there's 38.2 and 30, and we would basically be taking this long, and what we would do is we would target the 38.2 to the top side. Now, for analysis, for those of you that don't have the luxury of, spending a lot of time doing your charts and so forth, what we do is, we break things down into different terminals. If we're trading Asia, we're trading on the 1-hour chart and the 10-minute chart. If we're trading London, we are on the 4-hour and the 1-hour chart because that's the longest time we actually spend on the charts. We are in Europe. And then when we're trading New York, we go back down to the 1-hour and the 10 minutes simply because there is not many trading sessions open. There might not be too much liquidity in the markets. So that's the basic reason. That's pretty much it. So you need to be organized as a trader. If you want to make it in trading, you need to be organized. You need to have a definite process of analysis and the way you trade and pretty much everything else. And it's essential towards your success to follow your path. Now, we found the biggest success following this kind of analysis, and we take it one step further by actually checking the charts at the overlap of each candle. So we're going to be looking into the 4-hour charts 15 to 20 minutes before the new 4H candle comes out. And the same thing goes for the 1-hour chart. We're going to be like hawks. So we can do whatever the hell we want once the trades are open, but 15 to 10 minutes before the new candle comes out, we'll sit down and start doing a proper analysis. We also use compounding, and I'm going to actually turn on an algorithm pretty soon here. This is the S23 trade management system. Give me a sec, I'll just set it up. And this has to be much higher, 300, and here 140. And check this out. Boom. So as soon as price action comes at 300 pips in profit on this trade, which is 100 pips from here, our trade management system is going to start compounding. But I'm actually going to lower it to 250 because the market's not moving and I'm expecting a breakout from this level. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is exactly the way we trade, and I hope it has taught you something in terms of, well, day trading. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. By the way, before I let you go, we actually run a special promotion every day of the year, where you can test our community for 7 days for just $9.99. Go to primedtraders.com and you'll find all the information right there on our website. Thank you and have a good day.